Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today's session is going to be all about Bitmojis. How can you get these cool, fun Bitmojis without going through the hassle of removing the backgrounds? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's make our classes much more fun. I'm simply going to go ahead and type in Bitmoji and I'm going to click on bitmoji.com, scroll all the way down until I get to Bitmoji for Chrome. It's very important I install this extension and I'm going to simply click Add Chrome. And once the extension is installed, you will see a Bitmoji icon on the left. It's very important you create an account because I have an account already. I went ahead and logged in. If you don't see a Bitmoji on your Chrome browser, simply click on this and make sure you pin it down. And it's very important once you log in, you have to make sure you download the Bitmoji app on your phone and use the same email address to log in because whatever changes you make on your app, those changes will automatically be uploaded into your Chrome browser because you cannot make any changes on the Chrome. So I'm using my same email address and password and I'm logging in. And again, keep in mind, you cannot make any changes to your Bitmoji. That is, you cannot change your avatars using your Chrome browser. So I'm simply going to go ahead and change certain things here. I think I like this avatar, so I'm simply going to go ahead and keep it. And now I'm going to my Chrome, click on the Bitmoji, and let me see. I am going to either you can type in or pick anything you want. I'm going to pick this one. Simply right click, copy, and I'm going to my PowerPoint and paste it. Voila, it's that simple. I'm going to go back, pick another one, the sleepyhead, right click, copy, go back to my PowerPoint and paste it. And as you can see, this is totally transparent. And now I'm going to go back again and I am going to click map and I'm going to pick, let's say, I'm going to go ahead and pick, yeah, this one. Right click, copy, go back to my PowerPoint and paste it. It's as simple as that. And as you can see, this is also very, very transparent. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to my mobile app and I'm going to go ahead and change my avatar. And then once I change it, it's uploaded right here. And as you can see, now I have a red top. I'm simply going to go ahead and type in coffee just so I can have a different avatar. I'm just going to go ahead, copy the image, go back to my PowerPoint and paste it. Now I'm simply using my mobile device to change the costume of my avatar right now. And when I click on it, it's automatically uploaded. There you see. And I'm going to simply type run. And I think I'm going to pick this one. Copy the image, come back here, and then paste it. I really enjoy creating Bitmojis for my classes. If you like this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below. And if you think this video is worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There might be some educator who might need this. And always remember, happy teaching!